So as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be yet another cooking video. I just recently uploaded another cooking video. I will have it linked down below. Definitely go show that video some love. So you guys requested in that video more cooking videos. So throughout the week when I do cook, I'm not going to do a cooking video for every time I prepare a meal. But if I do have time during the week like I do today, I will film some cooking videos because you guys are constantly requesting me to do these. So as you guys can see, I'm going to be making smoked turkey legs, but they're called smoked turkey drumsticks. And I just washed my hands. So if my hands are a little ashy, it's all good. So like I said, these are smoked turkey drumsticks. As you guys can see, they're really good size. A lot of people usually just eat these like at carnivals or at the fairs. They have them all the time here at the state fair, but they're a little tough for my liking. I don't like really tough meat at all. My meat has to be very tender, literally like tender as fuck. So the way I do mine, the meat literally just falls off the bone. Once you touch it, it's like butter. It's so freaking good. So the way I'm going to prepare this today is I'm going to make these turkey legs over some cilantro lime rice, which this is what I'm using right here, as you guys can see. Usually, if you guys follow me on Snapchat, you will see sometimes when my husband is cooking or he has the grill on, he will make grilled shrimp. We will make shrimp tacos, or we will make fajitas with like chicken, or they'll eat steak with theirs because you guys know I don't eat beef. So this is usually what we use this cilantro lime rice for, but I cooked this once before with the cilantro lime rice. It's so good, and it was pretty good. That's why I'm going to do it again today. And it's really easy to make, you guys. This is a really quick meal. So I'm only going to be making 4 of these. 2 will go back in the freezer. So to make my, well, not make, to season, what the hell, to season, very simple, you guys, because smoked meat has plenty of flavor already. So I just use seasoned salt, garlic salt, but this has the California style seasoned blend, so it looks like this, okay? And then I use lemon pepper. This is what I use. Now this is the size pan that I'm going to use. I always have to use these pans just in case something is stuck at the bottom. I can just throw the whole pan away. So I like to use these right here. I put 2 in each pan just so it's a lot of room. You don't want to cook turkey legs and they're like, they don't have any place to breathe. And I'll show you guys exactly how I put mine in the foil. So I'm using 2 of those. Like I said, 2 in each pan. And then I have butter, onion, and foil. And then once the meat has cooked for like an hour and a half in the oven, as you guys can hear, the oven just went off. It's right now on 400, but I may turn it up to 425, depending on like how quick I want to cook these. And then like halfway through the cooking preparation, I will mix these 2 in a pot. This is cream of chicken and cream of celery, but I have used cream of mushroom and cream of celery. Is really good. Like, that is your choice, your food, do what you feel. This is just what we like. But like I said, I have used the cream of mushroom and mixed it with the cream of celery, and then I put it in a pot. I put a little butter in it, and I season it a little bit with just a little salt and pepper, because remember, you have the flavor of the seasonings already on the meat. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to season and do one, and then of course that's how all the rest of them will be. So I'll show you guys. Just rinse the meat off really good, and I go ahead and I just put the seasoning salt on here and the lemon pepper and then the garlic salt. And of course you want to get both sides. Okay, and then as you guys can see, those seasonings at the bottom, that's what's gonna make it so bomb. You wanna make sure you hold it like that, okay? And then I usually take about 3 pieces of butter, about this size, and I just lay it down like so. About 3. It doesn't matter, it's gonna melt anyway. So I put it like that, and then I take my onions and I just put it on top like that. And that is it. And I'm gonna show you guys. Let me wash my hands right quick. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I wrap it. So I have to take another piece of foil. I'll just put it right here. So you want to make sure that the bottom part where the leg, this part, okay, this part. You want to make sure that this part goes up, because if you don't, it's gonna leak out. It's not gonna be juicy. It's gonna be dry. It's just, girl, throw the whole meal away, okay? So you want to make sure you do this first. You want to hold it like so. You want to bring this in and kind of tuck it over. You guys can see that. And then you want to bring this in. You do not want this to be tight. You want it to be able to get a little air, okay? So you bring that in like so. You take the bottom part and you kind of push it in, and then you keep it up like this. And that way you know nothing is going to leak out. And then the top part, you just fold it like so. And you pretty much doing the same thing. But you're going to leave the top like that. So that's how it should look. And then I take another piece of foil, put it down, and sit it inside just like that. And it's kind of like, I don't know what this is called. I just fold it around just like that. And that's how it looks. Because you're still getting some of the air out through here. And then you just put it in here like so. And then you put the other one in, but you put it in opposite way. So like the bigger part is on this end. So when you put it in here, it should go the opposite side. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them and put them in the oven. Like I said, they're going to go on 4. I'll end up putting the oven on 425. In the beginning, I said 400. I'm going to put it on 425, let it cook for like an hour and a half. And then I'm going to look at them, just peek through one and see if it needs anything in it, if it starts to get a little dry. But that is enough butter, you guys, because I'm sure it's still going to have plenty of juice, because I've been cooking these for so long that this is, it is this. I don't have my nails, so by the time you see this video, I will have been to the nail shop, because I'm sure you guys are like, oh my God, where's her nails? Girl, they look like fat little meatballs, I know. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest, and I'll show you guys. So they've been in here now for about an hour and a half, and I'm about to check them right now. So this is how it looks once you open it. I'm going to put the cream of celery and the cream of chicken on here. I've already mixed it and everything in the pot. Like I said, I just used a little piece of butter, salt, and pepper. And then I'm going to go ahead and make the rice. The instructions is on the back of the rice. The rice cooks for 25 minutes. I'm going to let this cook for about another hour. And 25 minutes before the meat is done, I'm going to go ahead and cook the rice so everything is done about the same time. So, looks pretty good, you guys. Like I said, if it looks like this, you don't need to add anything to it, okay? All that seasoning is in the bottom. It's so bomb, you guys. So fucking bomb. So I have opened all 4 of them up, as you guys can see. Here is the cream of focus, celery, garlic, a little piece of butter, salt, and pepper. And here I'm just gonna pour a nice amount on top of each one of these. So I may try to do it. I'll show you guys. So I can't really see behind this camera. And my kids love these, you guys. My husband loves these. When I make them for other people, they love them. So I'm just gonna go and cover them up. I'm gonna get a spoon and kind of mix everything together and put them back in the oven for another hour. So I just added garlic to the cream of chicken and the cream of celery. I'm just gonna stir that up in just a minute. Right here I have the bacon cooking to go in the string beans. I usually put potatoes and everything like that in the string beans, but because this is going to be a meal, I'm not going to do all that. But I have turkey bacon, onions, and garlic, and this is going to be for the string beans. And then right here is the cilantro rice cooking. And yeah, like I said, the ingredients that you need for the cilantro rice is so easy. It's just, you know what? I'll show you guys. It's right here. All you do is mix 2 1/4 cups of water, rice mix, and 1 tablespoon of butter in a 2-quart saucepan until well blended. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low. Cover. Simmer for 25 minutes until rice is tender. Remove from the heat. Let stand 5 minutes. Fluff with fork before serving. And that's pretty much it. And it says perfect for Taco Tuesday served with chicken, shrimp, or shrimp tacos. And that's pretty much it. So that is what I'm doing, you guys. The rice has about, I think, 20 something more minutes and then it's done. This cilantro rice is so freaking good, you guys. So that's pretty much where I am right now with the dinner. Here are the string beans, you guys. I added the string beans in. I added a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. You guys know I have minced garlic in here, bacon, onions, a little bit of honey, and I think that's it. I really do think that's it. And that's the string beans. So everyone is eating. This is my plate. This is how it looks. Everything is really, really good. Those are the string beans. Like I said, everything that I used was in the previous clips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want more cooking videos, leave it down in the comments down below. And give this video a big thumbs up. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you